my name is Aubrey. Today I'm going to be making slime. First you take some Elmo's glue. So I'm just going to keep on adding it until it's all gone. It's a 4-ounce liquid. That's probably good for now. And then we'll add in some food dye. Since I'm doing 2 colors to make purple, I'm just going to do 1 drop of each. Red and blue makes purple, so I'm going to be having a purple slime. Now I'm going to add in some glitter to make it pretty. I think that's good. And then I'm just going to mix it in. And then I'm going to add in some activator. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. 2 of these. And then 1 teaspoon. Boom. And then I'm just going to mix that in. See what it does to my slime. And I'm only going one-handed just in case I need some more. But I feel like that's plenty of activator. So as I'm mixing this in, I'm just going to move stuff away so I can get ready to do some tests if I have time. I'm just going to keep on mixing that in. If you think it's good, you can go in with both hands. And then just scoot that over. And if you need some more activator, you can add in some more. And then after that, mix that in. Just keep on mixing and adding activator until you think it's good. I think it's a good start to start with 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon and seeing if it's good. Now I'm going to do some slime tests. It's just like things you can do with your slime if you're bored, like doing nothing with your slime. You could stretch the slime. You can also do a slime bubble. I'm really bad at these, but you just grab it. I don't know if the slime can do it, but just flatten out the surface. And just you take it and go like this. I can't do one, but that's basically how you do it. And then slime swirl, you just take it and like with like claw hands, just like keep on swirling. And then once you think it's good, then you can just go like this. That definitely wasn't good enough to do, but we're just gonna deal with it. And then after you can just clip it and go like this. That's why I love it. Okay, that's all.